from On A Stampage. I'm back with another Christmas card craft tutorial. I showed you a couple of weeks ago how you could use old Christmas cards and make them into new Christmas cards, and today I'm going to show you how to take some Christmas cards that maybe you have like one or two left in a box, or like these ones came in the mail. You know how sometimes if you subscribe to things, you'll get these packages of these cards and it's like, I'm probably not going to use those, but I feel bad throwing them out. You know what I mean? I'm going to show you how to use these and make them into some darling layered ornaments that you could give out. Okay, so I've got these cards, and then I've got all these different sets of die cuts that I have that we're going to use to layer and make these ornaments. And so I'm gonna go off camera here for a little bit, and I'm gonna be back with a bunch of different die cut pieces. I just wanted to kind of show you what you're gonna need. You also probably might want pattern paper. You also might want just regular cardstock also to layer these on. So I will be back in just a moment with more die cut things. All right, so I am back. I die cut a bunch of the cards out into different shapes, like circles, or the starburst, or this little thing just needed to be an oval. I mean, super cute. And then I die cut a bunch of the layering dies that were one size bigger in 3 different colors, blue, red, and green, because I noticed most of the colors in here were blue, red, and green. Now, you could do more than 2 layers, but I just want to show you something quick and simple that you can do if you're looking for some sort of a neighbor gift or something. So the first one I want to do is this darling cat and dog, because I think it is super cute and it would be so fun to give to a friend who has pets or loves animals. And I need to decide if I want to back it onto red or green. And I'm thinking red because that green is just a lot with the tree. So I've got these 2 ovals, and instead of just popping it up with glue, which you could do, I'm actually gonna pop it up with some dimensionals. And if you notice, so these cards were really cool. What I noticed about these cards, and let me see if I can find the exact same one because there were 2 of this. What I noticed was there was the image on the outside, and then there was a smaller one on the inside, and that's where I actually took this die cut from. And then I did keep this part out here because I'm thinking about like punching out some of these ornaments to add to this. And then also you can always use these sentiments on the inside for one of your own cards, so don't throw that out, keep that, unless you don't want to be a hoarder, which I sometimes think I might be becoming. Anyway, okay, dimensionals. Alright, so now that that's layered, I'm going to add some embellishments. And like I said, I kept the outside part of the card because what I'm thinking is I might punch out some of these and pop them up around in here. So let me grab a punch. Alright, so I forgot that I lent my husband my 3/4 inch punch. So I'm going to kind of play with these. I'm wondering if some of them can get punched out with this. I'm specifically thinking like this one right up in here. Oh yeah, that's going to be perfect. That'll be cute. And then let's see about this one down here. That's pretty good. And then I was also thinking, I know this is part of a stocking, but how cute would it be as a little heart? Let's see if I can go this way. Oh my gosh, yes. So cute. A little striped heart that can go kind of up here or something. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay, let me just punch out a couple more things. Okay, look at how much I was able to punch out of that, you guys. And I bet if I looked hard enough, I could figure out other stuff. And you know what? We might cut this out as a banner to put on the bottom of the ornament. I don't know yet. I'm just really excited about how much I got out of here. Yeah, see, look, I missed this little sparkle right here. These could totally be little embellishments on the ornaments. Okay. And I bet I could even do something with this branch. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so I've got all these teeny tiny little pieces that I've punched out, and I think I'm gonna just kind of play with it a little bit to decide how I want this to go. am gonna dimensionalize these. So I'm gonna take some dimensional foam and pop these up. So there is the base of my ornament. I love these little dimensional things. I think they're so cute. I love this little image. So now I need to decide if I want to add some more embellishments. The thing I was thinking of was about using maybe some stickles around the edges and stuff, because I've got tons of different colors of iridescent stickles, because you can't have just one, you have to have them all, because if you don't have them all, how do you know you're using the right one? I'm just saying, okay? So yeah, I have like, crystal might be pretty too, because crystal has different colors in it of iridescent, and then the twinkle has like a blue, and then this one has kind of like the red. Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah, they're all similar, but they're not the same. I'm saying this mainly to my husband, but he never watches my videos. I think I actually want to go with this crystal. I think this is super pretty. It's got the greens in it, so I'm going to move these off, and I'm just going to do a little bit of detail work with this. Sparkle. I love it. It's going to take a while for these to dry, but I was going to tell you real quick how I am planning on hanging these. I am planning on literally putting a little hole right here and then sticking on a hook with some ribbon, okay? And I want to make the rest of these, so I might make them on camera and then speed it up, but I think this is super cute, and I think this would be so fun. That way, like if you had Christmas cards from family members, like if you had ones with pictures on them, you could make ornaments. If you had like special cards from people that you loved throughout the years, you could decorate your Christmas tree or a Christmas tree somewhere in your house with these. I love, love, love these. Okay, let's see what other ones I make. I'm gonna move this out of the way and we'll keep going. All right, friends, so here are my 3 ornaments. They're not quite dried yet, so I am not going to punch them and put like the little hook on them. You could also like tie ribbon around the hook. I think I said that before, but I can't remember. You could add rhinestones, you can add whatever, but I really had fun just using the cards that these came from, and then some stickles. And yes, I did add a little doily down here so that you could see the little lantern that I cut out, but I really love how cute these are. If you didn't want them to be ornaments, they could be tags as well. So that is my idea for using Christmas cards to make ornaments. And like I said, this might be a really fun way to preserve some memories. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial.
And so, until
I hope
next
you try
time,
this
friends,
out.
hugs
This
and
would be the
happy
perfect
holiday
craft
crafting.
for, you know,
Bye.
kids, grandkids.